These days, taking photo is only one tap away, but somewhere along the way, when do we stop photographing to remember and start photographing to impress? Before everything is gone forever, this installation reminds you it looks like a photo booth, but unlike a selfie booth, here you truly feel what it means to lose a memory. At first, the user scans a QR code and selects a family photos to begin. Then, the memory starts to decay. It desaturates, loses its age, and burns to dust. Just like real forgetting, this is what happens when we don't truly keep a moment. But there's a way to fight back. Pick up the camera, keep capturing, every click resists the fact. And you cannot stop until the memory is fully preserved. At this point, a video plays. It reveals that human memory is limited. We forget the ordinary, the very moment we will one day search for. Yet even after all that, you still have a choice. A second chance choose to keep this memory. One last capture and you get your prints. Maybe photography was never meant to impress. It was meant to resist forgetting. So don't wait until the end of the day. We start it now.